I fart. I'm like, ah.
Oh, I fucked it up. What's your name?
Hey, how you doing? My name's Andrew Tarzia, and I want to try out for this belching contest. So I brought the soda.
Oh. Just don't house it. Jesus.
I can't do it. Yeah, I don't know what you want from this, so so thank you.
I say like keep going for a bit. Fuck it.
Oh,
Well, just like I don't just like you sound like you were gonna throw up. That's so underwhelming.
Did it work?
Yes.
There we go. I don't know if this is what you're looking for, but this is what I can provide for you. Oh, it's Matt.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Hey, what's up, man? How's it going? Andrew's over at my place right now, and I'm videotaping him burping for an audition. It's weird. Yeah.
It's very bizarre. It's very bizarre, Matt.
Oh man, yeah, he just showed up. Oh yeah, let me my appointment's on Thursday.
Thank you. Are you done? Turn it off.